Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I know you're getting tired of all of these fire table repairs, but this portable fire table needs some love also. You see where I've burned a hole in here, it's charred in several places across here. Well, I've already taken this board and turned it over. So this board is used up. Let's put another 4-foot board on there. This is my long screw that I use to peg my stoves, peg them down so that they won't shake off. So let's remove it first. And I need about 4 feet. I like to cut the corners off. Just knocking off those sharp corners. Alright, here's the worn out board. There's the kit that you can buy at Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, probably under $20. And the legs go in at that angle and put a cross piece on it. I guess is how they built it. I inherited these when we moved here. This was still here and I love it. Very simple. I'm going to use a 5/16 drill bit. Mounted 1.5 inches from the end over here. That looks about right. Same thing on this end. Drive those all the way in. Now, this wedge goes back up in here, gets down on the stud. And a wing nut. See if that's right. Yep, that's what I want. Let's try it out. All right, let's try a fire roll. Got some pine needles, pine knot for a baton, and let's see if we could start off with about a 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch, and hopefully the grain will run out that way for our top board. That is is all I'll need for a top board. We'll get some ashes out of here. About a half a cotton ball is all you need. And you don't want a bunch of char in there. Just need like a 1/4 teaspoon of ashes is all you need. You've seen me do this hundreds of times. If you haven't, check out my Ferro playlist. And then you need some ash on the bottom board. Tighten it up with your hand. Tighten it up with the board a little bit. And I will be holding the sawhorse with my knee because it will tend to vacillate. Just tighten it up a couple times with the board and then go for it. I like to turn it around at about halfway through, which that was about 16 rolls. It keeps the roll from getting so tight that it snuffs the ember out. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it again. And keep on rolling until you see smoke or the thing disintegrates completely. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I see a flame.